In other news, there was a whale sighting in New Jersey. The whale consumed people, apparently. This has to be fake. There is no way.
This is the emergency broadcast system. Please remain calm and listen for further instruction. At 1100 hours, a whale was sighted at Cape May. 3 known victims were swallowed. Citizens are advised to avoid the coast at this time. Please evacuate the coast immediately until further notice.
This message is transmitted at the request of the SCP Foundation. Do not turn off your device. A dangerous anomaly has been detected in your area. The newly designated SCP-9555 has multiplied and spread to every ocean on the planet. For your safety, please move inland now. If you are at sea, helicopters are being sent out. Use a visible distress signal so your vessel can be located and you can be taken to safety. The Foundation will come back on air when our researchers get more information about this anomaly.